If you never legally married and you never really cared about it, you were cool, you're an old hippie, and now you're reaching retirement and you've maybe heard a little bit about Social Security benefits being denied unless you're legally married. You were correct. I have some other videos you can watch on the channel. But if you are in one of the states, right here on the screen, there is some form of common law marriage that you can use, you can try to use, to prove that you should receive Social Security benefits. Which is, there's a lot of money that could really help one or both of you in the event of retirement or disability, or one of you is deceased. So the forms that you need to file are Social Security SS-753 and 754. And I'm not representing that it's easy to prove that you live together as husband and wife. It's gonna be different in every state. And really, depending on what year you watch this, it'll be different. As late as I think like 2018 or 2019, one of the states just abolished common law marriage. So that's always changing. So it's unlikely more states will. It's more likely that less states will. But a lot of them will recognize, even if they abolish it, they will recognize that if you still met the requirements, you were still lived together as husband and wife for 20 years before they abolished it, okay? So I don't know what time you're gonna be watching this video, but these will be the forms that you need to file with Social Security to try to prove that, yeah, we live together as husband and wife, recognize this as that for Social Security benefits and for Medicare benefits, which might be very important to whichever one of you stayed home and raised the kids and didn't really have a lot of work history on your own. So what does the form say? What does the form ask? The form says, hey, how did you think this was going? Did you guys say you thought you would have a formal ceremony and just never got around to it? Did you hold yourself out to the public as being married? How is your mail addressed? A lot of times the woman didn't legally change her name, but she just started going by Mary Smith and Mary and Bob Smith. Were you on the same bank accounts? Did you have any children together? In most couples yes, how many children did you have? What last name did they take? There's just so many of those factors. They want to know who can vouch for you. Some states there's going to have to be witnesses that are going to have to testify. Witnesses that are going to have to come in and say, yeah, they've always acted like a husband and wife. How were your deeds titled? They took title as joint tenants. They've done everything as a married couple, lived as a married couple, raised their family. They've been stable all these years. In which case I don't want to get your hopes up, but it's very likely, it happens a lot, that you would be found to meet the statutory requirements, and then you could qualify for each other's Social Security benefits. So if that's something that you're thinking, oh, I didn't know that was possible, and you're nearing Social Security age, start now so you can get your documents and your witnesses and get on the docket and go do all your meetings with the government so that you can claim those benefits at the earliest possible moment or whenever you think you most likely will need them. So the forms are on the screen. If you have more questions for the Medicare family, call my family. Let my family here at the Medicare family, 3 generations of us and our staff, answer your questions about Medicare, Social Security, retirement, TRICARE for Life, VA. We're here to help. If you have specific questions, ask me in the comments below and we will answer it here below. Thank you for watching. And if you hit the subscribe button, I'll keep doing a video every week.